Viva questions and answer for a simple pendulum experiment.
The first question, define a simple pendulum. Answer, an ideal simple pendulum is defined as single isolated particle suspended by a weightlessness, flexible and inextensible string with a frictionless support. The next question, why the simple pendulum is used? Why the word simple is used before the pendulum? Answer, because the pendulum is used in the wall clock or compound pendulum, in which a metallic rod is used in place of the thread. So next question, define Z. Z means acceleration due to gravity. The next question, what is the difference between the small z and capital Z? Answer is, the small z is the constant value for the in the universe, but small z is decreases with the increase of the height. Next question, what is the value of z at the center of gravity of the earth? Answer is 0. Next, how the value of g changes as we move from the surface towards the center of gravity of the earth? Answer, as a rule it should decrease gradually, but due to the variable density of the earth it increases up to a small depth and then that decreases. Next question, where the z is greater, at equator or poles? Answer is at the equator. No, at the poles. So next question, what is the value of the z at a sea level? Answer is, in the sea level z is equal to 9.781 meter per second square, but in the equator z is equal to 9.83 meter per second square. And next question, why the amplitude of pendulum is kept small? Because, answer is, because if the amplitude is large, the motion of the simple pendulum will not be simple harmonic. If theta will be not be less than, so sin theta is not equal to the theta. So next question, define simple harmonic motion. Answer is, the motion of vibration of the body, the magnitude of acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement x from the mean position. The direction of acceleration is always towards the mean position. The next question, define a vibratory system. Answer, back and forth or to and from, motion between the two fixed position. The next question, just define the following terms: amplitude, oscillation, frequency and time period. The first one is oscillation. The motion from one extreme position to the other and then back to the original one. So it is the oscillation. And next, amplitude, the maximum displacement from the mean position. Next, frequency, the number of vibration per second. And next, time period. Time period means the time taken from one vibration. The next question, what is the relation between the frequency and time period? Answer, frequency is equal to the reciprocal of the time period, or time period is equal to the reciprocal of the frequency. And the next question, what are the unit of frequency? Answer, the unit of frequency is vibration per second or cycle per second or hertz. Next question, what is the frequency of the second pendulum? The answer is 0.5 hertz or 1 by 2 hertz, because f is equal to 1 by t. So next question, time period will be increases or decreases if we use the heavier bob. Answer, there will be no changes in the time period, because The relation T is equal to 2 square root of L divided by Z shows there is no effect of the mass on time period. So next question, can you replace the thread by a metallic wire? Answer, no, because the wire is not flexible. Wire is not flexible. And next question, what is the restoring force? The force which tends to bring a vibrating body towards the mean position. It is called as string, means restoring force. So next question, what is the restoring force or net force acting on the bob? Answer, if the air friction is neglected, the restoring force on the bob is equal to the mg sin theta. Next question, what is the net force on the bob at a equilibrium position? Answer is 0, because at a mean position of the weight of the bob is perfectly balanced by the tension in the string. The next question, define equilibrium. Answer, a bob is said to be equilibrium when its linear or angular acceleration are 0, or when F is equal to the 0. Next question, can you replace the thread by a rubber band? No, because it is not inextensible. By the definition, the string must be inextensible. The next question, can you use the cricket ball in a place of the bob? No. Answer is no, because by definition of simple pendulum, the bob must be as small as possible. Like in this video, please subscribe and share.